Hello friends, welcome to Shannon's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chicken curry in a different way and it will be delicious to eat. So I am going to show you the ingredients, what I am going to use today. That is, I have taken 1 kilo chicken. I cut up some potatoes and kept it. Tomatoes cut up, onions cut up, curry leaves, ginger and garlic paste, jeera powder, dhania powder, jeera, this is curry powder, this is chili powder, saffron and salt to taste. So I'm going to use all these ingredients while I'm making the chicken curry. It is very simple and it will be very nice, very tasty, delicious to eat. I hope you all will like my channel. So please subscribe, share, comment. So come on, let us start the recipe now. Put the oil. Oil is turned hot. Now I'll put in the cumin seeds, that is jeera. Put the onions. Put the curry leaves. Onions are turning brown. Now I'll put in the salt. Put in the tomatoes. Put in the potatoes. Put in the chicken. Cover it up and let it cook for a while. Then I will put in the other masalas. Put the ginger garlic paste. Put the saffron. Put the chili powder. Put the dhania powder. Put the jeera powder. This is curry masala. I'm going to put it now. Put the water. Put the garam masala. Put the meat masala. Let it cook for 15 minutes because the potato has to cook. delicious chicken curry is ready to eat. I have kept thick gravy. You can see it. I have kept little bit thick gravy to my taste.